Shampoo. Coconut and vitamin E deliver moisture to your hair while delivering a gentle wash that restores and soothes the scalp. Formulated with orange, white peach and sheer floral fragrances to awaken the senses. Plant-based beauty. The coconut and vitamin E collection is infused with coconut milk to restore essential nutrients to dry, damaged hair, while vitamin E provides antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and skin-healing properties. Plant-based ingredients. Carefully sourced ingredients create nourishing, safe formulas for our hair and body care products, featuring tea tree oil, coconut, mint, argan, manuka honey, lemon sage and bamboo. Free of chemicals. Our range of conditioners, shampoos, body washes, cleansers, styling products, sprays and dry shampoos contain zero sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, phthalate, propylene or glycol. A brand with purpose. At RENPURE, we believe in giving back to our community. Our partnership with the Salvation Army provides homeless shelters with much-needed personal care items. Plant-based collection. The evolution of naturally inspired formulas. We are on the journey to evolve our formulas to be gentle on loved ones and the environment. Our plant-based collection offers more than 80% plant source ingredients along with good-for-you ingredients that help minimize the damage to our environment and your hair. We believe whatever a chemical can do, a plant can do better. Healthy hair starts with hydration. Coconut and vitamin E delivers moisture to your hair, where it's most needed, while delivering a gentle wash that restores and soothes the scalp. Our coconut and vitamin E collection is formulated with orange, white peach and sheer floral fragrances to awaken the senses. Top reviews from the United States. Did the trick for my hair. Excellent product. Great small. Left my hair soft and shiny.